I feel like he does too. Just like he wants his nuts.
I'm just saying. The way I saw you reach for those boobs. So the way I saw you reach for those boobs, I thought, for sure.
As long as he's not reaching for these nuts, we're good.
Shut the fuck up.
That was so fucking good. Didn't we just have this conversation?
I wasn't trying to make a dude nut
Shut
joke. I
the
just
fuck
simply
up.
said, as long as you're not reaching for
I
these nuts,
just
then
fucking told
Especially.
fuck you. Stop picking apart my grammar,
creativity.
asshole.
Start pronouncing.
Because I pronounced shit right.
No, just because you.
I'm taking a shot because you're giving me a headache.
Good. You hear that? You hear that? Did you hear that? Any more men today?
You ain't getting me, so shut up.
Yeah, dude.
Bad timing, bad creativity.
And we're not fucking amateurs.
I wasn't trying to.
I give you a fucking F.
Did you guys really think I was trying to make a decent nut joke?
You think we are stupid?
Maybe, just a little bit.
Oh my
Fuck you guys. I gotta just chuck this right in your face.
Oh god. Oh, it was fucking. Here, let me get you a blanket.
Go get him a towel, not a fucking blanket, you dumbass. Oh, shit.
What?
It's on my desk?
What? No,
Alright.
I'm giving him the blanket.
No.
I swear, if he throws it at me, and I'm gonna pour this all down his fucking back.
He was looking for the blanket.
I don't got a bad feeling about this blanket.
It's slightly wet because Patrick used it for a shower.
I don't use it on my body, though. Just my feet.
Me too.
That was...
Clean feet. Fresh out of the shower.
Yeah. Fuck.
Those party
so
tops
gay.
are tough to drink.
I'm so perfect, dude. He just went.
Did you forget that was in your hand?
Did you get that on camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet.
I so, fucking
I did.
so
Actually,
did,
oh,
dude.
that was in my hand. Assholes. Now half of it's gone.
Where did it all go, though? I want to know.
Straight up and straight down.
On
Couch
your
in my
bed.
back.
Shut the fuck up,
He
dude.
went like this.
Oh my god.
That's why I was laughing so hard, dude. I was laughing
I don't fucking
hard.
know that shit.
You were laughing.
That's not fucking funny.
Dude, I'm just joking. It's okay. It's
You're not-
all over him, dude. And the other half of it?
It's still on my fucking couch. Clean it off my couch, dude. That shit's gonna be sticky as fuck.
I already got
Grab a met. I see it all on my fucking couch.
Yo, I got you tell the first time.
Jason, oh my god, you guys are fucking, they're fucking lazy.
Oh my god. You're gonna break my computer.
No, it's not on my bed.
See? I told you. It's all on the couch and on him.
God damn.
His arm was so
It's already fucking sticky.
bad.
It wasn't me, it was you.
What do you mean it wasn't me?
Me for asshole.
I didn't tell you to throw your hand out like that.
Bag.
No, leave it there. In case I find
No
more.
shit, Mr. Accident thrown over here. Fucking everything.
was that?
And then some more.
Hello? Yeah?
Put that in speaker.
How are you? Hold on just a sec. Can you stop by?
Turn that off.
I need to ask you something. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. I said okay. Not yet.
And then some more. Faggot.
The chubby little sidekick.
I'll just call you when I get close.
Yep.
Okay?
That's the chubby little sidekick.
Fucking weirdo.
I'm looking
Like,
for the
what's your
fucking
cock?
shot, fucking flash, man.
You were going for his. Kept leaning forward.